Hey everybody, when using a controller on Minecraft here on Android, you get the block vibrations when you're hitting stuff. And that's rather annoying, especially when you're recording like I do. You know, you hear the little beep, beep, beep all the time, and there's no way to turn it off. It's not here like it used to be for keyboard and mouse. It's not there for the controller either. It used to be up here, and it used to be here, and it's no longer there either for the controllers, see? No option to turn off the block vibrations except for touch controls. Now, why that's an option and they took the ones out for controller, I will never understand. However, let's go ahead and disable that through the options, just like we did with the render distance fix that I put on video recently. So let's go ahead and get into our settings here. You are going to need to go to your file manager. You are going to need to navigate. Okay, you need to navigate to your folders and look for Android. Whichever one you use will work fine. And then go to data right there. Go ahead and select that, and then it'll tell you to go to files. You just go to it, it's fine. Inside of here, you're going to once again go to Android, go to data, and now you're going to find com.mojang.minecraftpe. And it is right there for me, right here. So you're going to go into this folder, and this is where all of our game files are now for Android. So let's go ahead and get into there. And of course, now you're here. You're going to need to go to Minecraft PE again. And now you have the options file. Now this is the same options file that we edited to get our render distance set to whatever we wanted to. So if we look up here, we should see the GFX view distance or render distance up here, right here. And so this is where you change your view distance from my last video. And then now we're going to go down, not that. And now you're going to search for it like this, or just go to find or search whatever your editor has, and you're going to find feedback. And you're going to find the 4 options here: controller, touch, keyboard, mouse, and I have no idea what the heck that is. But anyways, you're going to set all of those to 0. And now when you load back into the game, you are no longer going to have the touch control vibrations going on. Let's go ahead and open back up the game. And now you guys can't hear it because I don't have the microphone on. I'm recorded the video while at Starbucks earlier today, and I'm doing the voiceover now, so sorry. You don't get the full effect of hearing the blocks break. But trust and believe, when I was breaking the blocks before, there's vibrations, and now there are none. So yeah, that's all you guys gotta have to do. I hope that helps you. Later.